Hello everybody, this is Bob at Mark's Motorsports, and next to me is a Can-Am Defender, and this one has had a plow installed. So, it is the weather. Today we had, black ice everywhere in Connecticut. It was kind of crazy, but we have had snow, and it looks like we're going to get some this week. But here at Mark's, we can add a plow to your Defender, your side-by-side, and even your Outlander. So if you're looking to clear your driveway and you don't want to buy a $65,000 plow truck and you're just looking to do your own, we can help you out. So give us a call at 860-741-5115, and I'll just show you how it works right here. And it just works off the winch, so it works very easy. It's very easy to operate, and it does angle when you pull the pin. So there you go. Thank you, and like and share our videos.